You can decide which application is the default for each type of file. Double-click any file in Finder and it will open in the default application for that file type. If I double-click on a Microsoft Word file, it opens in Microsoft Word. That's usually the default application for that type of file. I'm just going to quit Microsoft Word. Instead of double-clicking, you can select a file, then go to the File menu in Finder and choose Get Info. This shows lots of information about that file. Go to the Open With section. You can select a different application here if you want this file to open with something else when you double-click on it. If you want every file of this type to open in this other application, click Change All and confirm. So I've set this so that all Word documents open in the Text Edit application. Now when I open another Microsoft Word document, it opens in the default application that I set.